Starting with macOS Tahoe Beta 3, Apple removed the Apple HDA kext from the operating system. On Hackintosh systems, this kext functions as the audio driver. Without it, macOS has no mechanism to communicate with the onboard audio hardware, and the result is immediately visible. Every sound-related control in the system is disabled. The volume slider in the menu bar is grayed out, the sound settings panel shows no input or output devices, and the machine produces no audio output. This guide covers how to restore audio on affected Hackintosh hardware, in this case an HP ProDesk 400G3 running macOS Tahoe 26.6 beta using Voodoo HDA. Voodoo HDA is an open-source audio driver developed as an alternative to Apple's native audio stack. It has been part of the Hackintosh ecosystem for years, designed specifically to provide audio support on hardware configurations that Apple's own drivers do not cover. The file used in this guide was sourced from a post by Maldon on the Insanely Mac forum. A direct link is available in the description. For anyone uncertain about the file's integrity, uploading it to VirusTotal before proceeding will allow multiple independent scanning engines to verify it. Once the archive is downloaded, double-click it to extract the contents. Inside, locate the package file and double-click it to launch the installer. macOS will block the installer from opening because the file originates from outside the App Store and is unsigned, triggering Gatekeeper, the built-in macOS security layer that restricts unverified software by default. To proceed, open System Settings and navigate to Privacy and Security. Scroll to the bottom of the page. A notification will appear stating that the software was blocked. Click Open Anyway and enter your administrator password when prompted. The installer will now launch. Work through the installation wizard and enter your password again when the system requests permission to install the software. Following installation, another prompt will appear in Privacy and Security requiring one additional approval. Click Allow, enter your password once more, and the system will indicate that a restart is required. Reboot the machine. After the system restarts, open Control Center from the menu bar and check the Sound section. The volume slider will now be active and adjustable. Pressing the volume keys on the keyboard will trigger the on-screen volume indicator in the upper right corner of the display, confirming that the audio stack is responding to input. Opening Sound Settings will show the full panel populated with available input and output devices. The HP ProDesk 400G3's onboard audio hardware will appear in both lists. From here, the output device can be selected according to the connected hardware, and additional settings, including sound effects and input levels, can be adjusted as needed. Audio is now fully restored. Credit for the Voodoo HDA package goes to Maldon from the Insanely Mac forum. The download link is in the description.